Did she just say, call before you come, I need to shave my chocha? Has that always been that lyric? Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's fix this face. As you can see from the title, y'all are about to get ready with me. So let's get started. First, we gotta turn on some music. Go to my favorite playlist. Gotta play low because we know how YouTube is. Go ahead, prime this face. This is amazing. I got it from my Ipsy bag. It's a Smashbox primer and moisturizer in one. You can't go wrong with some moisture. Rub it in. So after we do that, I need to put some on these lips. Boo boo. We can't have no cracked lips under lipstick. It's not cute. Cool. Go ahead and apply some foundation. I don't want to put a lot of foundation on today. Just a little bit. Also, if the video quality looks different, I kind of broke my other camera a little bit. It still works, but it just works differently. So I have to use my old camera, but if there's a will, there is a way. Did you hear what I say? If there's a will, there was a way. Let the church say amen. So I'm going to fill in these brows. So how's everybody's life going? Yes, life. Because mine is a roller coaster. And the thing is, it's not even like it's a roller coaster because there's things that are happening to me. It's like I create this madness myself. Like my brain hates me sometimes. But I find that when I'm working on YouTube or music, that's when I'm happy. And that's when I'm the least anxious I ever am, is when I'm working on stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do this year, to just work away my anxiety. Come on, Jesse Powell. This is my song. Do you hear me? And if you guys hear some crackling, it's like hailing / raining outside. I don't know what's going on. Well, I do know what's going on. I just told you what's never mind. Woo! Come on, Jesse. Okay, that's enough. No copyright. But guys, I have so many videos coming. I'm so excited. And then fill her in on the left here. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be yours. I've been stable. That's the part that gets you, man. Oh, I'm trying to learn piano again. I used to take piano lessons, but I quit. Or I don't even think I quit. We just stopped going. And I really loved my piano teacher. She was the sweetest woman. And I remember when I had my first piano recital, I was so scared. And then I started to play at the recital. And like as soon as I started to play at the beginning, it was already in the wrong key. So I was mortified. But she helped me, and she helped me figure out the right key and everything. So that was good, because if I would have started off wrong, I would have ended wrong. We ain't got time for that. We trying to grow and prosper. We trying to learn and live. We trying to develop who we want to be. I have to go that far, but hey. All right, so I'm going to conceal. Okay, that's enough, Jesse. Okay. Conceal underbrow. And I know you don't feel appreciated and whatnot. Now I talk real foul and slick. Every other sentence is you make me sense. Sense? I had to dig deep inside myself, cause I can't see you bouncing with somebody else. It's a long journey back to the place we was, when I was too embarrassed to admit I was in love. But you was my good girl that wouldn't give it up. I can't let it self-destruct. Baby, smile today, cause I can know that. This is an amazing song, man. I'm gonna love you better. Guys, I need advice on my under eyes because my creasing is terrible. I don't know how to fix it. It just creases so bad. Do I need to buy a more expensive concealer and setting powder combination? Because it just, my under eyes don't like me. And it bothers me so bad when I try to take close-up pictures and all you see is crackles. It ain't cute. We ain't got time for it. Where's my concealer? I'm gonna love you better. You know, want, I'm gonna just use this one. It's not my favorite, but whatever. I'll get rid of the creases. See, this is what I do. I try to get rid of the creases before I even put the concealer on. But am I just pressing the foundation into the creases, and is that just making it worse? I need advice. I need help. So concealer up under here. I don't know why I'm putting this on my finger. I've never done that before, but whatever. Let me show you what I mean. Hey, okay, next. Not Casey and JoJo, not today. Okay, yes, Missy. Missy? See, I have to focus because this camera is going to die on me. But is this the correct technique? Because I don't know. And it makes me kind of sad. So I just want nice under eyes. I gotta work it. Did she just say, call before you come? I need to shave my chocha? Bruh. What is this song really about? Another selection. Oh, wait. This is a good one. Also, is my concealer too light? Because I don't know. Y'all, I really don't be knowing what I'm doing with my makeup. I be trying. Set under eye. I'm so... See, look, it's already creasing. What am I doing wrong? Fed up with my thoughts of you. Okay. Guys, it's already creasing. This is what I'm talking about. I'm sad. I don't know what to do. I really don't. Come on, Usher. Show up. What y'all know about a supermodel? Ooh, and I filmed a mukbang last night and I still got tacos in the fridge. Y'all act like you know me. You know pimping ain't easy. I want my chicks in the club who know how to cut a rug. Y'all seen that Beyonce video where she ain't even sing, she just danced and it was just magic? Everything, girl, I need a bad girl. Who did y'all hear that? Bad girl. Not much more. Okay, I turn this down. Never mind. Okay. Finish your face, dude. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is another thing I got in my Ipsy bag. Ipsy be coming through, y'all. Ciate London Wonderland mascara. This is bomb. Hateration, holleration in this dancery. Percolating. Hey. Mary J is in the spot tonight. That's enough hateration. Y'all don't know nothing about that Monica. Y'all do not know. Do. I'ma get copyrighted. Never saw you, I already knew. Yes. I look at you, looking at me. Yes. You guys see this mascara? Isn't it bomb? Alright, cool. So now I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm still using the same Ipsy sample that I got like a year ago. If I can find her. Okay. The Tarte Amazonian Clay. It is in the shade Feisty. And like I said, I've been using this since I got it in my Ipsy bag, maybe a year ago. And it's just so pretty and light because I don't like too much blush. Look at that. Pretty. What do I do next? Oh, Ofra highlighter in Blissful. Show up. I'm gonna use this fan brush by Royal and Langnickel. Wait a minute. Royal and Langnickel. I like this brush. This is also from an Ipsy bag. Ipsy sponsor me because I be shouting y'all out all the time. Ooh. Like, I swear though, Ofra highlights are my favorite. And I also swear that every girl has the same face when they're putting on highlighter. It's always like this, look. Every time, I swear. Pretty. Came into my life. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do that inner corner highlight because you can't have a beat face without the inner corner. I'm be telling y'all, it's just not possible. Like, do you see it? Okay, that's cute. Now what am I gonna do for my lips? My nose itches. My nose itches so bad. Every time I do my makeup, my nose itches. Okay, what am I gonna do for my lips? What am I wearing? Black. It's my song. Okay, focus. Should I do black lipstick? I did black lipstick once and I did not like it. Should I do it again? I'm gonna do it. Okay. This is a black lipstick from MAC. Supposed to do my shot. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god. I done messed up. This is why I don't do things. I got too much freaking curl or something. I done messed up the lining on my lips. I think I made a mistake. Yeah. I may have made a mistake. See, it's a good thing I am wearing black. Okay, that's better. Alright, that's it. I took a chance. I think I like it. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Dang it. Okay, my camera was rude and shut off on me, but as I was saying, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this lipstick. I think I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.